MacBook Pro 15-inch T2 model supply. And you see the current. The current is drop 0.005, then you jump to the 001, and jump to the 0093. The current drop. To the voltage, PV bus, PV 3. PP bus, the voltage drop. And to the PV 3.3 G3 Hz, voltage drop. And check the T2 voltage from the PMUIC. So you can see PMUIC now output the voltage. PMU now output the T2 voltage. So that means the PMU not working. So you can use the source camera to find the short circuit. Because the current is dropped, so motherboard have the short circuit. So this motherboard have the short circuit. So you can see it's a PMUIC have the short circuit. So did not output the T2 voltage. So must replace the PMUIC. Disconnect the power supply. Replace PMUIC. After replace PMUIC, now connect the power supply. See this current. Now it goes to 20 volt, and the motherboard is working. The CPU working. Then now display. So this motherboard is a PMUIC, now output the T2 voltage, and PV bus PV 3.3 G3 high voltage is dropped. After replace the PMUIC, now the motherboard is working.